Imagine trying to push a flawless, uncompressed live video signal from a camera on, like, the 18th hole of a massive golf course.
Right. Way out there.
Yeah, all the way back to a production truck 2 miles away. Yeah. With standard copper cables, your picture is just, well, it's dead on arrival. So welcome to today's deep dive.
It is a massive headache for AV crews.
It really is. And our mission today is to figure out how broadcasters actually solve that physical limitation using a highly specialized piece of gear from HDTVSupply.
Oh, the AJA FiDo-2T?
Exactly. The AJA FiDo-2T channel 3G-SDI to single-mode LC fiber transmitter. Okay, let's unpack this. It's an $845 device, right?
Yeah.
It basically just gets a pristine video signal from point A to point B without it degrading.
Yeah, around that price. And, it's an engineering marvel that fundamentally changes how we handle data over distance.
Because, let's look at the physics of it. Using standard copper video cables over long distances is sort of like trying to shout a complex message across a really busy, noisy football field.
That's a great analogy.
Right. Eventually, the signal just degrades, and the cable basically acts like a giant antenna, picking up all this outside interference.
Exactly. And what's fascinating here is how the FiDo-2T solves this. It completely changes the equation by converting that SDI video signal into optical fiber.
Into light, basically.
Right, pure light, which provides total electrical isolation, so it completely eliminates those pesky ground loop problems.
Oh, those hums and rolling statics are the worst.
They really are. And even more impressively, because it uses single-mode fiber, it allows for cable runs up to 10 kilometers, which is...
10 kilometers, like 32,808 feet. Let me challenge you on that for a second.
Sure, go for it.
Does anyone actually need to send a video feed 10 kilometers? Or is this just like a technological flex? Who needs that much cable?
Well, it's not just a flex. Think about sprawling live events, broadcast trucks out in the field, massive sports venues. They absolutely require that kind of range.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense when you put it like that.
But range isn't the only factor here. Size matters a lot in these crowded setups.
Oh, definitely. And here's where it gets really interesting, because the physical footprint of this thing is tiny. We're talking just 4.6 by 1.7 inches.
Barely bigger than a smartphone.
Right, meaning you could just cram it behind racks, stuff it in those cramped trucks, or even man it directly on the camera itself.
Yeah, and that miniaturization doesn't sacrifice any professional utility either. It features dual independent video paths, which is huge for camera operators.
Oh, wow. 2 separate paths in that little box.
Exactly. Plus, it passes through all the essential SDI metadata like HDR, so you don't lose any of that rich color, and it runs on universal 5 to 20 volts DC power.
Which is a total lifesaver in a chaotic broadcast environment where power is unpredictable.
Oh, absolutely. Plus, the professional reliability is backed by a 5-year warranty, and the customer reviews are just stellar, specifically praising HDTVSupply's support team.
Yeah.
People mention reps like Rachel and Mike by name.
That is always reassuring to hear.
Sure.
So what does this all mean for you listening at home?
Well,
even if you aren't building a broadcast truck in your garage, this device really represents that invisible, vital infrastructure that makes flawless live television possible.
Yeah, if we connect this to the bigger picture, it really highlights how overcoming sheer physical limitations, like distance and electrical interference, is what drives AV innovation forward.
It totally does. Which leaves you with an interesting question to ponder. Right now, fiber optics push physical cables to a 10-kilometer range with absolutely zero interference.
Which is wild.
Right.
Great.
So with everyone wanting an untethered future, what will it take for wireless video transmission to ever match this level of bulletproof reliability? You might be waiting a while.